Hi, now I can show you how to use absolute probe. This is an absolute probe that we meticulously use to accurately measure the precise paint thickness before we commence any significant decurrent process. But normally I just use one layer and I just start the job and I see if the signal is very low. I just put again and I can see maybe I need to use 2 layers. It's so easy to recognize in the job. Okay, we switch on the machine. Press the previous settings button and now we will proceed to enter the main menu. We go to Pro. We check frequency on a probe. It says here it's from 100 to 250 kHz. We can utilize a value of 100 and we can also use a value of 250. We can try to use 250 now. Okay, phase. Wait, we can 0. Now, the bridge type is absolutely essential. Okay, now we will proceed to discuss the topic of gain. Again, we need to put much less. It's from 20 to 40, something like that. We're gonna see later. We just use 30 at the moment. Go back, filters, summary. And we truly need to go there with persistence and a commitment to change as persistence. That shows how many seconds will leave signal on the screen. We can use 20 seconds. There. Also we can put sweep. Okay, so now we will go back up here to the very top of the page. Also we can use this menu. So sweep. It shows killer gas. Face. Back. Okay, let's go again. Check. 2 degrees. Change to 0 degrees. And we carefully proceed to that location. We then meticulously apply a single uniform layer of paint, ensuring complete coverage. First of all, we need to balance. And you see the signal is this one layer, 4 layers. And balance first. Here we can clean. If we press, we can clean. And now we see that signal is very small. If we take one layer, you can see still not so big. We can put again much bigger. Clean the screen. Too much. Balance. Clean. A little bit less. 35. Carefully clean the entire screen thoroughly. Press balance. And now you see this is just one single layer of the applied paint. 0.5, which is half a unit. 0.5 and again half a unit. Now we clean screen again. And check to me to ensure the proper mute balances. Thoroughly clean and carefully check. This is to me. If we go on a workplace and we don't know the paint of the thickness of the paint, for instance, paste and dry. We just take anything. This is a beautiful paint. We need to know the thickness of this paint. We place it there and we see on the screen it's quite big signal. This is, we compare to our one layer. It's a little bit bigger, one layer. It means we can use 2 layers and we can compare. We clean, compare. Yeah, it sounds like that. It means that we need to use 2 layers for our job to precisely calibrate the bridge probe. That's exactly how we are going to find the reason and determine the cause if it's like this. We don't know the paint, we go on the job and we just clean, machine, balance. And now, as we observe, we can clearly see that the signal is extremely small. We carefully compare this observation with the different layers. We have specifically tried 3 distinct layers. Yeah, it's the same, almost the same. This means we need to use 3 layers to calibrate our UTC.